Packing box. Laser rangefinder. Storage bag. Manual, lanyard, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. High quality laser head. Accurate measurement, 120 meters long distance. Switchable measurement gears. Front, rear reference settings. Selectable single or continuous measurement mode. Volume measurement. Select the volume mode, measure the length, height and width respectively, and automatically calculate the volume. The backlight is bright, and 30 sets of data records can be stored. Area measurement. Select the area mode, measure the length and width separately, and automatically calculate the area. Pythagorean measurement. Select the Pythagorean mode, measure the hypotenuse and horizontal edges respectively, and automatically calculate the height. The third time the length is measured, it can be reduced. Compact model, easy to carry.